Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 9. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent. Name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criterion did you use? Right. First one is in triangle in triangle ABC and triangle triangle PQR are it is given that angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R, right? And if we take one additional pair of corresponding parts, if we take one additional one additional one additional pair additional pair of corresponding parts that is BC is equal to QR, right? Then we can say then we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, right? The criterion is angle side angle by angle side angle congruence angle side angle congruence criterion congruence criterion, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.